This is just gonna be a quick video. I want to show you something here. This battery, as you can see, it's like blinking. It's dead. I put it on the charger, and it's still, the charger just shows a solid green. I'm not gonna walk back and show you, but you gotta trust me. Basically, everything I looked up, it needs to be jump started. I've seen people use razor blades or what have you to do that. I'm just gonna use these little connectors, which is about as thick as a razor blade. So basically, I'm just going to slide it in. What I did is I just negative to negative, positive to positive. I'm gonna let that sit for about like 20 minutes and see if I can reboot this battery so I can charge again. Also, side note, I'm not doing this off of a steel table because I don't want to short anything out in case I drop it. But so far, nothing. And it's been about 20 minutes. So we'll see. All right, I already disconnected everything. I let it sit for about a half hour. And originally, when I would press the button, it would still be blinking 1. So what I ended up doing is I threw it in the charger, and then I took it out of the charger, and then I let it sit for a minute. And then I ended up pressing this again, and it was fully lit up. So, fully charged. So once again, quick rundown: positive to positive, negative to negative. Let it sit for about a half hour. Undo it. If you're working off a metal table, be careful not to spark. Take it to the charger, plug it into the charger, take it out after about 5 seconds, let it sit, let it all reset, and then bam.